We're going to look at this company that's making remote control doodahs and also VR goggles. They're making lots of things. Let's check them out. Stage of putting together the game controller, and so that's details of production this morning between 8 and 10 o'clock and between 10 and 12 o'clock. This is a much more established production line. More the good quality. You've got the air for when they're doing the soldering. Yeah. Very, very important. This comes from another level where they got their own injection molding machines here. So there's your little button here, little spring inside. So it comes off another assembly line. There you go. Here we have the QC area, testing, 12, 13. So it's actually So we're actually testing the controllers here. Just seeing if the buttons are harsh.
Yeah.
Do they feel good or not?
Good, then they reject.
For the component here? Yeah, interesting. And then the blue over here. Extra
胶减震的，就防止那个减震啊，它会震动。
Test. Oh, very interesting. Please attach controller. Attach. Bang. So this is basically all the QC around here. Okay, what we'll do, James, then up to the end. Okay, good. That's amazing. Look at that, then that will go in there. Wow. So the screws are already in here?
Yeah.
The screws are... Oh, the screws are coming through from here.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. This machine here, automated machine, can do 2 people. So 1, 2, right? But 1 screwdriver, so it's much faster. Yes. Oh, so it's robot. I like that.